I can't, guys. I can't believe I have a money puggy.
Look at this dog. Ew. Papa Doggy Marky.
Guys, I have a money puggy. Let's go, bro. I have a money puggy. Let's go. And guys, my neighbor gave me this dog to play. Yeah, he's so cute. His name is Waputo. And y'all already know my cat name is Milo. Wait, guys.
I guess I'm
Back. That's just a hair dryer.
Hey, come back. Where are you going? Come back.
Oh my God, you're so cute.
Oh my God, this dog is so cute.
And my cat and my neighbor's dog it's not friends yet.
Hey, where are you going? Hey, where are you going?
Where are you going? Bro, where are you going? Oh, you want to go outside? Well, too bad, bro. You want to go outside? Too bad.